This video is sponsored by Backcountry. It's not always easy to find the gift for the person that has everything, but if they like to travel, then there is a great chance that you can find something unique for them over at Backcountry. Whether your giftee needs new gear or clothing, we're covering some of the gear that they can take on their next trip. If your loved one likes statement pieces and sustainability, they may love this Crescent bag from BAGGU. It's made with durable recycled nylon and has a recycled ripstop nylon liner. You can get them in a muted colorway, but we like to opt for something that stands out from the crowd since that's half the fun of a BAGGU bag. Well, it doesn't pack into itself. It's thin enough to flatten at the bottom of a travel backpack or suitcase. Or they can use that as a personal item since it's a little larger than 7 liters and easily fits a water bottle, a packable jacket, and a snack inside. Plus, there are 2 large zip pockets so they can lock down small items instead of scrounging around at the bottom of the bag. The thick strap is easy to adjust and comfortable to wear over one shoulder or crossbody, and it's long enough to fit different body types. Our staff writer Eric uses it while cycling as the Crescent bag shape hugs his body and stays in place when tightened. If your friend or family member is more active, this bag is great for activities where they'll need something bigger than a waist pack but smaller than a backpack. If your favorite traveler gets nervous while venturing out of their comfort zone, the security features from Pacsafe may reassure them. The Venturesafe EXP35 has a ton of security features that are also easy to use, so they won't feel paranoid when traveling in a tourist hotspot. The main compartment zippers feed into a carabiner-like lockdown point, and the other zipper pulls slot into each other, removing the need for an extra lock. Don't worry though, there are holes if they want to add one. Just make sure they practice all of the locking features before leaving home. Luckily, Pacsafe includes helpful instructions with pictures for opening every locking mechanism so they can grab their Passport 311 bag and ticket without holding up the TSA line. In addition to the lockable zipper pulls, the recycled material has an underlying exo mesh to keep someone from cutting into the bag with a knife. Underneath the protective features, there is plenty of space to pack in this bag. The organization includes a dedicated shoe pouch at the bottom, a top pocket for smaller gear, and a laptop compartment for up to a 16-inch device. The main compartment has additional organization for everything else. With so many zippers, it can be a bit noisy, but that means they'll hear someone rifling through the gear if they leave the bag unattended. Plus, they can use the pop and lock security clip to wrap it around a fixed object if they have to turn away, preventing a snatch and run. Just about everyone can use a new hat. If you gift them a beanie, they will appreciate you every time they pop it on to stay warm. The Backcountry Wander-Plated Beanie is a super soft blend of recycled polyester and acrylic that feels almost like a thick knit sweater. The color-coordinated yarns create a striped pattern that's a fun addition to winter outfits, and it has a classic fit and style they'll love. This cushy hat looks good in the city and great outdoors, so they can take it on any cold weather trip. It stretches to fit over different sized heads, so you don't need to know their measurements before wrapping it up. And it will keep them warm during brisk walks, cross-country skiing adventures, and chilly outdoor activities. Even better, the materials are moisture wicking, so they won't break out in a sweat. Instead, it will keep them toasty warm for hours outside. Travelers that like to get off the beaten path will enjoy staying hydrated safely at the same time. And if you give them a LifeStraw Go Series bottle, they will have a safer way to drink it up. The 18-ounce stainless steel bottle has a built-in carbon filter, making water taste better by reducing chlorine, odors, and organic chemical matter. What sets LifeStraw's 2-stage filter apart is that it also includes a membrane microfilter, which protects against bacteria like E. coli and salmonella, parasites, microplastics, chlorine, silt, sand, and cloudiness. So if the traveler in your life is often heading to foreign countries, they can fill it up safely at the airport, gas station, or even a tap. It's a great bottle for more than just the filter though. The double-walled insulation will keep water cold for hours, and the mouthpiece is covered with a leak-proof cap and handle that will keep it germ-free. Plus, for every 500 products LifeStraw sells, they donate a community purifier to a school in need. That provides 100 children with safe water for 5 years, so you can feel even better about your gift. You'll be happy snatching up deals for the traveler on your list when shopping at Backcountry. With gear from top brands in just about any category, you never know what kind of awesome travel gear that you're gonna find. Filter their site by activity, gender, or even gifts. Then you can narrow it down by price or brand to find the best option for your loved ones. It doesn't matter if they like to camp, take road trips, or fly to a new destination. Backcountry has something for everyone. Maybe they need a new toiletry bag or a travel backpack for their next trip. If you don't know where to start, get expert help from their gearheads. They're available via text or chat to answer your questions and help you find the best travel gear for anyone. Just head over to Backcountry to get started, link down in the description below. Now back to some more great gear. You might like this super soft fleece so much that you want to get one for yourself too. At the very least, it gives such a cozy vibe that you'll be grateful getting a thank you hug after they try it on. Packing an extra layer is a smart idea for any trip. The breathable Backcountry Highliner PrimaLoft Air-Perm Fleece Hoodie is great for keeping warm on the plane or even walks. It has air-permeable fleece panels with PrimaLoft active insulation to keep them warm without getting sweaty on active adventures. They can flip up the hood when the breeze picks up and tuck their hands into thumb holes and the kangaroo pocket for extra warmth without bringing a hat and gloves. The jacket packs into a pocket below the hood, turning it into a ball that is easier to toss into their travel backpack or day pack. It's the perfect mid-layer that works well on its own in milder temperatures and pairs with wind-resistant layers when it gets colder. That means there's no reason they won't bring it everywhere, especially since the stretchy material won't constrain their movement while wearing a travel backpack or doing something more active. Frequent travelers appreciate a toiletry case that contains spills. So give the gift of a clean travel bag to someone in your life with this gift. The Matador FlatPak zipper toiletry case has the same dry-through technology as the brand's other FlatPak products. That means moisture can evaporate through the material while the exterior stays dry. While some liquid can escape through the hole at the end of the zipper, it does a good job of containing most spills, so they don't have to worry about toothpaste or sunscreen stains ending up all over their clothing. There's no internal organization in the 2.5-liter pouch. However, that means they're not stuck just packing tiny containers. They can use it for bottles anywhere from travel to full size. If they're taking a road trip and don't have to worry about 311 rules, it's great to dump larger toiletries in the pouch so they can pack for the family in one bag. If they do plan to fly, there's plenty of space for smaller bottles along with any other tools and grooming gear they want to toss inside. The bag expands to take up the same amount of space as what's packed inside, so it uses less capacity when they have less to bring or finish their toiletries along the way. That way they have one DOP kit for every size trip instead of needing two. A larger one for longer vacations and a smaller one for quick getaways. This duffel works well for short and long trips and is durable enough to last for years. Their gear will be safe inside the Backcountry all-around 105-liter duffel thanks to the polyester PVC material and water-repellent finish. It has a padded base to help the bag stand on its own, which makes it easier to pack. As you'd expect, it has two duffel handles for carrying, and it also includes backpack straps for when they need to carry another bag or keep their hands free. Unlike cheap freebies, this duffel includes extra compartments where they can organize gear. There's a small pocket on one end for travel essentials like their phone, wallet, and keys, and behind that is a larger water-resistant pocket where they can pack away shoes or dirty clothing. Two mesh pockets on the lid are perfect for flatter gear like hats, gloves, or a travel notebook, and the main bucket space is easy to pack with cubes and pouches. At 105 liters of capacity, this bag is too large for a carry-on, though it'll fit most checked bag requirements. That makes it a great duffel for ski trips across the globe or long drives to find the best camping spot. If they're traveling this winter, they'll want to carry a jacket on their next trip too. The synthetic PrimaLoft insulation on Backcountry's Peale jacket is ideal for cold conditions or ones with a little more moisture. This jacket is perfect for skiing, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. The jacket is flexible to allow for a good range of motion, so it excels on the slopes, yet it still looks great around town. It has a regular fit that's easy to layer, so they can add a rain shell for extra protection in inclement weather, allowing the synthetic insulation to shine. Unlike down-filling, PrimaLoft won't clump up and compress in damp conditions, making it better in snow and rain. You'll also save them from bringing extra accessories since it has tighter cuffs to block the wind from traveling up their sleeves and keep their hands warm. If they want to bring gloves just in case, it has two zippered hand pockets, a zippered chest pocket, and two internal drop pockets to hold them. Those are also a great spot for their wallet and phone, a snack, or even a hat. When it's time to head home, the jacket packs into the right zippered pocket to fit better inside of their travel backpack. There's a reason that socks are the quintessential holiday gift. It's that time of year when most people discover last year's are already wearing out. But if you get them the Farm to Feet Boulder Crew hiking socks, you might not need to buy them a new pair next year. These medium weight merino socks wick moisture and resist odors as you'd expect from the natural fiber, and Farm to Feet blends it with nylon for added durability. Even though they're a little thick, they keep your loved one's toes cool in the summer yet toasty in the winter with the natural temperature regulated merino. The crew length is perfect for high hiking boots or low-cut shoes, and the light cushioning makes them super cozy to wear around the cottage and Airbnb. They come in various colors and sizes to ensure the right fit as well. Maybe even pick up a couple pairs so they can keep them in rotation and always have a pair clean for walking the dog or heading to the local coffee shop. So that's what we're scoping out at Backcountry for our friends and family. What will you be picking up this holiday season? Let us know down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.